In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate direct messages from Slack to Microsoft Teams. Migrating public and private channels from Slack into Teams is usually much more straightforward, but direct messages are a different story. That's because Microsoft Teams stores personal chats inside each user's Exchange Online mailbox instead of in one central location. As a result, Microsoft's native Slack migration option does not support one-to-one messages or group chats. To move that data properly, you'll need a specialized third-party enterprise migration platform. Before you begin, make sure a few prerequisites are covered. You need administrative access to both environments. You need the correct Slack export permissions for private data and direct messages. And you need complete user mapping so that active users exist in both systems and their email addresses line up correctly. Once that's ready, start by configuring your source and destination clouds inside your migration platform. Sign into the migration dashboard with administrator access. Then add Slack as the source environment and authenticate it so the platform can read the data it needs from your workspace. After that, add Microsoft Teams as the destination and authenticate your Microsoft 365 environment so the tool can write data into Teams chats through the appropriate API connection. Next, move to end user authentication. This is a critical part of the process because direct messages are private. Inside the migration platform, open the user direct messages area. Select the users whose chats you want to migrate, then send the authentication request. Each selected user will receive a secure automated email asking them to sign in and authorize access to their personal Slack chat history. Keep in mind that a user's direct messages cannot be migrated until that user completes this authorization step. After that, map your user directories. Go to the user mapping section and begin with auto mapping, which usually matches accounts based on identical email addresses. If some users have different addresses because of domain changes, acquisitions, or renamed accounts, upload a CSV mapping file with the correct manual matches. This step is essential for accuracy, so take the time to verify any exceptions. Now, before launching the full migration, run a pilot. Choose a small test group of 3 to 5 users. In the migration settings, select direct messages, including one-to-one chats and group chats as the data target. If needed, apply a date range to limit the migrated history, then start the test migration. Once it finishes, verify the results in Microsoft Teams. Due to Microsoft API limitations, imported Slack messages may appear as if they were posted by the migration utility, but the original sender's name, avatar, and timestamp are typically preserved within the message content. When the pilot looks correct, you're ready for the full migration. Select all mapped users, start the migration, and monitor the dashboard for progress, transfer speed, and any failures that may require a retry. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.